Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Academy. In this video, we're going to be talking about Bootstrap 5 cards and drop downs. So let's move. So we have a card. A card in Bootstrap 5 is a bordered box with some padding around its content. It includes options for headers, footers, content, and colors. So we have an example, John Doe. This is one. So let's create a common card. So we'll come here. We already have our div. Then the next thing we can say H2 and we can call it basic card. Basic card. Then after that, we'll give it another div to say div. And inside the div, we'll give it a class name, which will be card class card. And as well, inside that div, we'll also give it another div, which will be basic card. Basic card. And we'll give the card class card body. So let's check it out. This is just a basic card. So this is just a card. Our card wasn't spelled well. C-A-R-D. Yeah. Yes. So now let's move to the next part, which says a basic card is created with the .card class and content inside the card as a card body, like we just did. So this is the example we created the other time. Now let's move. We have header and footer. The card header class adds a heading on the card, and the card footer class adds a footer to the card. So this is the header. We have the content and we have the footer. So let's create something around that. So we already have our card header. We'll call this one header and footer card. Header and footer card. So after that, we already have our card and card body. Then we'll change this one to header. Then we'll call it header. We'll call it header. We would also have another div. And inside this div, we'll give it class, which this one will be card body. And we will say, let's just say, I am John. I am John. Then we would have the one for the footer div. Then inside this one, we'll give it class, which will be footer class, which will be card footer. Now let's check it out. We'll say footer. We'll call footer here. Footer. So this is it. This is our card header and the content here. Then we have the footer. So let's move to the next part. The next part says contextual cards. To add a background color to the card, use contextual classes like BG Premier, BG Info, and the rest of them. So let's try something around this. So after all of this, we can remove all of this now. We don't need them. And we'll come to here, we'll say card body. This is already inside the div. Let's just name it div1. Div. Or we can just say basic card. Then we can duplicate this plenty times. Many times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's just for us to have different contextual class. And we'll come here. We'll give BG primary. I'll give the text to be white. So this one, we'll name it primary card. Primary card. Then we'll give this one to BG. Let's give it BG danger text, which will be white. Then we can give this one danger card. Danger card. Then we can also come here and give this one BG warning. Then we'll give it text, which will be white, and we can name this one warning too. Warning card. And we can give this to success card. We'll say BG success. And we'll give this one success card. I think this is enough success card. Yeah, so and we can let's give this one text white. Text, which should be white. Can give this as well, PG secondary. And we can give this one secondary text white. They'll give this secondary. So this is to have a contextual card. Let's move. As you can see, we have different types of card. So this is just simple. Let's move to the next part. We also have different examples that we can work on. We can have a card with the image example. So let's delete this. And we can say, let me give you space. And we can say H2, can just say card image. So after that, we can come here and give it a div class and give it a p tag. Inside the p tag, we'll say image at the top. Then we'll come here, we'll give it a div, and inside this div, we'll give it class name card, class, which is card, and as well, we'll give it style, we'll style it, style, which we want the width to be 400 pixels. Then after that, we'll come here, we'll give it image, we'll say img src. We want our image to be /. Let's make use of steph.jpg, and we can give it which one. We can say steph here. Then I will give it style, which the width will be 100%. And after the image, we'll give it another div. And inside this div, we'll name this one the card body class, card body. And inside that, we can have H4. Okay, let's have it like this. So this is easy. So now let's check it out. So this is like a card. Let's create the other example. So we already have this. We'll just come to our div here. Instead of card body, we'll say card image overlay. So this is this. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. So this is how image overlay works. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video. Please do what follows across all socials at Tech Academy. See you next time. Bye.